I'm doing, and then the next one, I'm gonna let you control it, let you do your thing. So with this one, we're gonna be stepping, so we're gonna go back and step. So remember, this is like a crayon. As you push down, this is disappearing. So whole time we wearing this thing is pushing, disappearing, we're gonna have to do this. So remember that. So get comfortable to know that we're gonna be pressing down. You feel good? You see what I'm saying? So that's why I say get position where you can feel good. Cause we're gonna start like this, but we're gonna end like this. Good. Pretty good. Good. Keep it tight like this. This is his first time on flux for today.